Hello, Michele.
Hello, Alexei.
Please identify yourself in Archiva Group, where we are today.
Yeah, I'm Michele. I'm the head of product here in Archiva Group.
Great. Tell us about your company a little bit.
The company is, let's say, a company that works mainly in the customer need perspective. So we try to meet the needs of our customers by develop custom applications.
Can you tell us about your overall projects, overall goals of your internal platform automation projects?
The main goal is to meet customer needs. Of course, this is the main goal of all the companies that works in the area that we are, and we need to do it even more faster because, of course, we need to develop custom applications, but we need to be able to do it in a specific time frame.
But what were the main challenges for your needs, and what did lead you to choosing Jmix as a part of your internal framework?
I would say that based on the experience that we have, the main challenge is the type of different people that have to work within a specific project, because usually you have someone that works on the back-end part and someone that works on the front end. You have an IT project manager that manages both people. So within Jmix, the main advantage that we saw is that one person can do everything within the same framework.
But how exactly did you find Jmix? What was the idea? Who was maybe the main initiator of bringing Jmix on the table?
Yeah, let's say that we have a research and development department, and we have a chief innovation officer, and with both the department and this person, the main goal is to find a new way to do the work that we have to do. In this case, we found our chief innovation officer found Jmix, and we decided to use it with a proof of concept, and we liked the way it went, and so now we are using it even for more other developments.
But what are the specific advantages that our product gives you?
I would say mainly both the built-in functionalities. So of course, if you need to develop something but you already have some built-in application that was already developed and you can use it just out of the shelf, let me say, of course this is a real advantage. And of course, by having a framework where you can both work on the back-end and development framework.
Could you describe how Jmix integrated into your broader Java stack?
We have quite a large stack here in Archiva, but we tried to use a gateway in order to manage all the connections between Jmix and the rest of Archiva, let me say. So of course we also have some built-in applications that we have already developed, like for example the signature application. And with this gateway we are able to integrate within Jmix both the built-in functionalities and the applications that we already have, by having of course a full stack.
Any specific tools maybe or features of Jmix that you would like additionally highlight?
I really loved the report built-in functionality, because we use the document composition a lot, so the possibility to create a document from templates, and the report function serves it perfectly, because we are able to manage it in a seamless way, let me say.
What is your current experience with Jmix consultancy services?
This is one of the main advantages, I will say, from the framework, because to be able to have a consultancy service of this level within the framework is really useful, because every time you need something you can ask for the consultancy service and you usually have the answer within 24 hours. So it's quite amazing, I would say.
Let's talk about the future. What are your plans for using Jmix in the future? What are your plans for extending?
Yeah, let's say that we are quite boring from this point of view, because what we want to do is to even build more custom application based on the needs of our customers. So of course, the more custom application and the more built-in functionalities that we have, of course, the better.
Based upon your experience, what advice would you give to new users of Jmix, to the new companies who are approaching Jmix with their projects?
I would say to start from a small project, so not starting from the big projects that take several months to implement, but starting small with a proof of concept, not customizing it too much, so to make sure that it works and it is integrated within the existing framework, and then from that point on, of course, to even do more stuff and more things.
Totally makes sense. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Alexei.